Imagine creating intricate 3D models and animations in minutes, not days. What if you could simply describe an object, upload an image or even a video, and watch as a fully textured 3D asset materializes before your eyes? This isn't science fiction anymore. Welcome to the world of generative AI 3D tools, a revolutionary leap in how we create digital content. So, what exactly are these AI 3D tools? At their core, they are advanced systems that use artificial intelligence to produce three-dimensional models and animations from diverse inputs. Think text descriptions, 2D images, or even video footage. This is a massive shift from traditional 3D modeling, which has historically demanded extensive time, specialized software skills, and significant artistic expertise. The goal? To streamline the entire 3D creation process, making high-quality 3D content accessible to a much wider audience, from designers and animators to developers. In fact, AI can cut modeling time for simple tasks by up to 40% and accelerate prototype creation by an impressive 60%. But how do they actually work? These tools are powered by sophisticated generative AI models. Neural radiance fields, or NeRFs, encode a 3D scene as a continuous volumetric function, learning geometry and appearance from 2D images to synthesize new viewpoints with photorealistic fidelity. They're also incredibly storage efficient. Then there are generative adversarial networks, or GANs, which use a competitive training process between two neural networks, a generator creating data and a discriminator evaluating its realism. This pushes the generator to produce increasingly convincing outputs, especially for structured models like meshes. And finally, diffusion models, which learn to denoise data, gradually reversing a noise-adding process. This allows for the generation of more diverse and detailed outputs, offering superior control. Many state-of-the-art text-to-3D pipelines actually start with text-to-image generation using diffusion models like Stable Diffusion. It's important to remember that while AI automates much of the initial generation, the quality of the final 3D model heavily relies on excellent input data. This means sophisticated image enhancement and pre-processing are crucial, including techniques like reflection removal and image upscaling. Even after AI generation, human expertise is often needed for cleanup and refinement to meet professional standards. The impact of these tools is already being felt across numerous industries. In gaming, AI 3D tools are revolutionizing asset creation, allowing developers to quickly generate environments, characters, and props, accelerating the design process. For e-commerce, businesses can now transform 2D product images into immersive, 3D visualizations, enabling customers to view products from any angle and even experience them in augmented reality before purchase. Healthcare is seeing breakthroughs with AI-generated 3D reconstructions from medical images like MRI and CT scans, aiding in more accurate diagnoses, surgical planning, and even creating realistic training environments for surgeons. In manufacturing, AI is optimizing product design and prototyping. Companies are using AI to create 3D models as digital twins, allowing for thousands of simulations to optimize efficiency and reduce material waste. Education and training are being transformed by 3D spatial learning, with AI-powered tutors and interactive 3D content, making learning more engaging and personalized. Even fashion design is leveraging AI for virtual prototyping, allowing designers to create and visualize 3D garments before physical production, reducing waste and costs. And for virtual and augmented reality, AI is making complex content creation more accessible and efficient, generating entire scenes and optimizing assets for immersive experiences. The benefits are clear. These tools drastically reduce the time and cost associated with 3D content creation, making it accessible to a much broader audience. This democratization fosters incredible creativity and innovation, allowing ideas to come to life faster than ever before. Generative AI 3D tools are not just a trend, they are a fundamental shift, reshaping how we interact with and create digital worlds. As this technology continues to evolve, it promises an even more immersive, efficient, and creatively boundless future for everyone.